Hey, I am back. I am going to work on this desk in front of me again, and hopefully I can get it finished this time around. We'll see how much stamina I'll end up having for it, because it's a lot. Here are the drawers that I'm hoping to accomplish. This one's going to be the one that kind of gets me stuck, because it's got a lot in there. Alright, I have a ridiculous amount of receipts that are very old. Last year, I thought it would be a really great idea to save every single receipt from the last year and then calculate it all up at the end of the year. And I made it through about like July, and I got extremely behind. So I have not actually gotten my receipts sorted since I think I got through October. But these ones are probably mixed from anywhere from August to December, because this is one of the piles that I forgot to look through. So, trying to get all those together. Here's that pile of receipts. Now I've got that somewhat sorted. I'm going to sort these out real quick. Get these in a pile. Now I've got a bunch of little books, some little photo things, a couple random important papers. Another letter, more receipts, another letter, and another letter. I don't know if y'all heard of Money. It's pretty great quality shampoo, conditioner, face wash, dog shampoo product that they have. Brand, whatever you want to call it. Brand. And it's a bit pricey, but definitely worth it. I've noticed a good change in my hair since I started using it like 4 or 5 years ago. If y'all have not heard of Priscilla Shire, definitely check her out. She's great. She has a lot of really good talks and encouragement and wisdom that I think you really enjoy. Found some tape. Always a great thing to have. Glasses. Sunglasses for my glasses. A few bracelets. A little notebook. Good old Band-Aid. I have no idea why I decided to keep this. I guess I can make use of it at this point. Okay, here it all is, kind of laid out, and now I'm going to sort it all back into here. Alright, there's that drawer done. That didn't take long at all. Time to get all this out. I really despise the memories that come from this thing. This big old thing required 2 hands. Alright, now y'all aren't going to see this part, but I'm about to spend quite a while organizing all these letters into these envelopes, this box, and probably throwing some of them away, because I think I've kept quite a few birthday cards from over the years that, you know, it's just going to keep building up and building up and building up if I keep every single one of them. Okay, so interrupting this little video to be completely honest with you and say that I went a whole month before picking up the phone again and recording this series, because I got ridiculously busy and the pile was a little overwhelming, so I kind of put it off for a long time. But today I sorted through the letters and got them finalized, so now all I need to do is put them back in the box, and then sort them into my desk drawer, and it should only take me like a minute, so here we go. Here's what the desk top looks like at this point. And yes, I still have my boyfriend's flowers from Valentine's Day. I really just have not brought myself to throw them away. They were supposed to fall like that. Okay, I am now down to one final drawer. And oh my goodness, what a stinking drawn out series this has been. I really wish I could have gotten this desk done in like a week, but I've had so much going on lately. Past few months have just been so hectic. I've honestly forgotten about my desk and the whole series, but I told y'all in other videos I want to try posting more, so I'm really gonna try doing at least once a month. So let's get on to the final drawer. Excuse the mattress, I need to get a cover on it, like this one, because my family is potentially joining me in my room. It's the safest room in the house because we have a chance of tornadoes tonight. Time to empty this out. I thought I'd show y'all this because I don't know if any of you have ever used this method before, where you make envelopes and you put aside cash for certain things. I have done horrible with all of these, to be completely honest. I do a lot of my stuff like online or just like very sporadic. I have been saving for months for my taxes money, so thankfully I do have a good amount in there. But I just want to encourage y'all to set aside some money in cash in an envelope or two like this. It is a super awesome idea for if you ever really, really need money, you know, and your bank account is pretty much empty, you don't have any random cash in the vehicle or whatever. This is super helpful to kind of like fall back on, you know. But anyway, just thought that was a good thing to show y'all. So as I have said, with pretty much every other drawer, it turned out to be a lot less in that little drawer than it first appeared. And I bet you it's not even going to be completely full when I get done with it. Just look at how nice that is. I added a couple things in there, but it is done. I will give you a quick recap of all the other drawers now. Alright, I have now officially completely reorganized all of my desk drawers. So this series is complete. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and please let me know what other videos you want to see. I hope everyone is having a wonderful morning, day, or night, and I look forward to making another video for y'all. Remember to thank God for all the blessings He has given you. I will be back hopefully soon with another video. Bye!